Hey folks, welcome to the channel. I'm DJ.
And I'm Sakshi. And in this video, we are going to share with you some vegetarian friendly cafes where you can enjoy some relaxed brunches and breakfasts. Now, for some of this, there are multiple locations, so run a Google search to locate the one closest to you. And now, let's get into it.
So today we are at Carrot and Sticks. They have two branches. One is in Robertson Quay and another is in Dempsey Hill. I really love the outdoor sitting, so that's why we are here to have a quick brunch on Friday. So because today we are on off, so we have come here to have a brunch. So now this is my favorite. It's overnight oats with a lot of berries, chia seeds, strawberries, and coconut shavings. So I'm gonna dig in now. First, I'll mix and dig in. This is so good. It's not too sweet. You can get the tangy flavor with the berries and sauce, and the coconut shaving that gives you crunchy flavor. It's really good. So another favorite of mine is here, blueberry oat pancakes with Greek yogurt and strawberries and maple syrup. So as you might have seen in my past videos and photographs, I just love pancakes. So anywhere I go, if there is a pancake, nice pancake, so I'll order that. So this is the first time we have come to this place, so I'm gonna give it a try now. But it's a bit dry because it's from oat flour, so that's why it's a bit dense and a bit dry. Overall, it's okay as a healthy alternative to your regular flour pancakes. So yeah, I'm gonna continue my eating.
So, I went for a sourdough toast, which is stacked with lots of mushrooms, goat cheese, and rocket leaves. And then I think this is sesame seeds. So, and it's some kind of dressing. So, let's give it a try. Here goes. Really good. I'm a fan of bread. So bread, potatoes, cheese, mushrooms, these are all my favorite things. So really good portion size and really filling breakfast that two people can easily share.
Hey guys, today we are at Group Therapy for brunch. This is located at the South Bridge Road. So we checked out their menu. They do have a good number of vegetarian options. They have like pancakes, acai bowl, crepes, pastas, and pizzas, and their side items are also quite nice. So my favorite item is here, a stack of pancakes with fruits, berries, and bananas, and maple syrup. So I really love pancakes. So I'm gonna dig in now. It's quite nice, very fluffy, and really good. It is one of the best ones I had in recent times. So, although it's not on top, but it's at least in top 5, I would say, in Singapore. So it's quite nice.
Okay. So I went for something savory as always. So this is a savory crepe with creamy mushroom, avocado, and spinach. Looks really good. So let's check it out. This is really good. The crepe itself is nice and soft. The mushrooms are like really nice, nicely baked or roasted with the creamy sauce, which is also really good. Everything combined makes it like really flavorful, really good. Oh my god, people, the crepe was so good. Look at my plate. Like safa chat, clean, not even a single morsel of food remaining. And this coffee is also really good. This is roasted almond latte, iced coffee.
The first impressions at this place was really good. We really enjoyed the food here. We will be definitely coming back here. And we also thought of ordering dessert, but this was quite filling, so we did not order anything else. But overall, great food, great service. Everything was fantastic. Hey guys, today we are at the Cafe Privé at Robertson Quay. Look at the view, it's such a nice day today outside, and they have a nice outdoor seating. If you look at the menu, they do have a decent number of vegetarian items which you can order from. So like they have sandwiches, wraps, pancakes, and they do have a plant-based breakfast which we have ordered. So we are just waiting to check it out, and they do have also, like for main course, they have pastas, pizzas, and all other items, and they also have coffees and juices as well. So a plant-based breakfast platter is here. So it has a lot of items. So it has a toast with hash brown patty. They have baked beans. They have mushrooms, tofu scrambled, avocado, hummus, and this is actually a veg sausage patty. It's basically a plant-based sausage patty and some greens. So let's dig it. So as usual, the tofu scramble is always bland outside because they don't add spices. They only add turmeric and salt. Although it's a little bland, but if you mix it with everything, it's tasting good. Now my favorite, hash browns. It looks so crispy, hot and crispy. It's really good. I'll also take a bite of patty now. But overall, if you like plant-based protein sausages and all the mock meats, it should be fine. We usually don't like it, but this is once in a while, it's good to try.
Okay, so I'm going to try the platter now, starting with the tofu. Pretty decent. And then the sausage. It's actually very meat-like. I like it. I mean, not that I've tried meat, but it feels like very chewy, and I like the flavors overall. Actually, I would say overall it's a pretty good platter. Like, it's not like amazing, but it's pretty good.
So our burger is here. This looks really good. This is a plant-based burger. It's a chickpeas patty with mushrooms and caramelized onions, and they serve with a lot of fries and a salad. So I'm going to dig in now. It looks really good. It's actually very bland for my taste because it's like a plant-based meat patty, so it's not really very flavorful. It's very bland. Okay guys, so we really enjoyed the setting and the seating outside. It's really wonderful, but the food was okay, not that great. So
Hi folks, it's Saturday morning and we are out for brunch at this place called Wild Honey, the one at Scotts Road. And so in terms of vegetarian menu, actually they have everything with egg. So that's eggs and vegetables. So if you're okay with egg, they do have a vegetarian menu. Otherwise, you'd have options like a bleacher or a fruit salad or pancakes. So won't say they have a lot of pure vegetarian options, but if you're okay with egg, you'll have plenty of options here.
hey folks, so I have ordered my all-time favorite pancakes. So these are Tahitian pancakes. These are a little different. So these is coconut pancakes, which serve with mango, blueberries, and maple syrup and Greek yogurt. So this looked very different. So that's why I wanted to order and try it out. So now let's dig in. Very moist, very flavorful. You can easily taste the coconut flavors as soon as you take the first bite, and with the fruits and the maple syrup, the combination is really mind-blowing. I really loved it.
Okay. So what I've ordered is a breakfast burrito, and it's filled with scrambled eggs. There is onions, capsicums, and potatoes, and then it is served with sour cream, there's avocado salsa, and then there's some kind of spicy sauce. So here goes, let's dig in. And it also has black beans and cheese. So all of that combined is really good, like really raw, warm and comforting brunch.
So we wanted to order this last time. This is a Brazilian bread. From the description, they say it's cheesy and gooey. So last time we were really full from the breakfast, so that's why we wanted to order this time as a side and taste it. So let's go. So this is nice and warm, and this looks really gooey. with the cheese, I guess it's quite gooey. And they have a lot of salt here, so probably you need to add salt because I don't think so they add salt in. So it's nice, really warm and cheesy. So if you like really cheesy stuff and warm, this is the best thing to order here. I really liked it. The food was really good. The burrito was fantastic and the pancakes were. Look at my smile. I really enjoyed the pancakes and the Brazilian bread was also. So overall we really enjoyed at this place, and they do have outdoor and indoor seating, so you can choose whichever place you want to sit. And one last thing I want to add is the service is really good. So with that, see you later. Thanks for watching the video, guys.
And if you have more questions for us, then leave them in the comments. And do hit like and subscribe. And until next time, take care.